talk about niching down and being profitable and being successful today. We think we need to go broad so we can be for everyone. There's more people out there, right? But when we really create this community around one specific thing, we can see very quick and good success with that, and that's what all of these ladies have experienced. For me, my monogram box, I already had this customer that would come into my brick and mortar store and they would personalize their gifts. They would come in every month, and I knew I wanted to create a VIP experience. And yes, we customize every single box every month because their initials go on one of those items inside my box. But it's special and it's unique and it's very niche. I would say it's not easy to customize all of our subscriptions. We have almost 3,000 subscribers, but it's definitely a need, and what we built is a community of people that love monograms and they love the same things. What I know when we niche down is that we're able to find our perfect customer. I know that we're able to speak to that customer a lot better, and we're able to build a community of like-minded people that they become part of something that's more than just a box and it's bigger than themselves.
Want to watch the full video? Check out the link below to view more.